Hello everyone, it's Ali Cat Castle and it's Sunday Fun Day. Let me show you today how I achieved my red lips. Enjoy! And here we go! Let's begin with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Custom Coverage Correcting Duo, applying it with your fingers on top of either a moist lip or a dry lip. This will clear out the natural pigment of your lips and will serve as a primer. Think of this step as wearing your Spanx before your beautiful red dress, just like Vivian Ward in Pretty Woman. And then, we proceed with applying your Nars Jungle Red Lip Liner, starting on the upper part of your lip, going towards the corner on the side of the lips, then following the same step on the bottom part of your lips, starting on the middle and connecting towards the sides. And then, you repeat the same step on the other side of the lips. You can also see that my pinky finger is on my chin. This serves as a support or control when applying my red lip liner. And let's double the fun. Let's just add more of the lip liner just to secure that and to prepare it for our lipstick. And then we finish the look with the Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dragon Girl. So all you have to do is just fill in the rest of your lips and rub them together. And one final step. Then, to prevent your lipstick from getting on your teeth, just put the middle part of your pointy finger in your mouth, slightly close your lip, then gently pull out, and when you see that red ring, you know you're ready to conquer the universe and ready to wear the crown.
And this is the time to do the wave. Just kidding.
I love you! And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed our red lip tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button as well as the subscribe button and the bell button just so that we can be together every weekend. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram. It's Ali Cat Castle. And I'll see you all next week. From me and Skittles with love.